One line. Zero, one line.
The company which it's like they produce for, usually they earn much from this, but the workers only get around half, not half of what the company earn, but they earn only half of what actually they need to fulfill their daily life. And when we talk about the daily life, it means a decent life.
The Indian working class today, you can see their situation is like the 19th century workers in Europe.
Workers are damn scared here and they are not ready to come up, and they have too many problems and they are not ready to come up and talk to you. And first of all, they feel that if I talk to this union people or organization people, and my owners, my management will be knowing that, my employees will be knowing that, and next day I can be terminated or I can be beaten up. And it happens here, and it's not there, just a fear.
कंपनी में जब वायर आने वाले होते हैं तभी कंपनी की पूरी सफाई हो जाती है जगह जगह बकायदे से.
And when buyers come for inspection, workers are told that you have to tell that, see, 4,200 or 5,000, say 6,000 rupees are your salary. And if you tell truth to buyers, then you will be beaten up. When buyers leave, you will be beaten up. You will be taken to manager's place and will be beaten up. And then when buyers are coming, factories are clean. They make the factory clean, and workers are given proper protection, like mask to wear. When tailors are given masks to wear, and company is clean and everything. The moment buyers leave, the masks are taken back.
In reality, there is no social security for the workers in the industry.
They say that buyers come and they see things and they go back. Actually, in fact, they are not able to see the reality, because everything is set up for them. Everything is set up for them, and they come and see that and they think that, okay, that is the situation in the factories. It's in such terrible condition the factories are in, and the working conditions are. I know that European customers are very conscious about the labor standards in the factories their products are coming from. And what I feel is that we should be, the customer should be able to put pressure on buyers, which will make sure that the factories are working in proper conditions. There is no violation of labor standards happening in any of these factories producing for their brands.
इसलिए वो हमारा पहन रहे हैं और ज़्यादा.
Buyers and consumers should try their level best to tighten the management if they are not paying workers in time and if they are behaving indecently with workers.
तो हमारा ज़्यादा फायदा होगा.
मैं बायर को यही संदेश देना चाहता हूँ.
Now you have come and seen how the way we live and the way we work, and buyers and consumers should know that we are like working very hard to make their product, and we should be paid, we should be rewarded properly, and they should make sure that we should be given all the facilities, the decent wage, all other facilities.
ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान देने का काम कीजिए, और ऊपर से भी अगर दबाव देते हैं कि भाई वर्कर का भी मजदूरी अगर ढंग से अगर नहीं देते हो, मैं आपका जो ऑर्डर दिया.
Once workers start to demand for a better wage, then the brand will think or will start leaving the companies. So in what way? It's like then they create the competition between countries. Like countries will provide as cheap as possible price so that they can move to these countries. If this country is becoming too expensive, that they can move. And with this campaign, we try to avoid that. We try not to. It's like it will be the same around countries. So wherever you go, you will have to pay the same value. Maybe not the same amount, but the same value.